I installed an AEM X Series wideband on my 2006 Civic with the R18 motor. Wired it up, got it reading, everything looked good. Then I tried to set it up in Hondata Flashpro. Spoiler, it doesn't work. But let me show you everything first. While I was in there, I swapped the pulleys. The aluminum underdrive pulley was seized onto the alternator rotor shaft. Couldn't get it off. Had to replace the whole alternator with a used one from Coupe. Underdrive the alternator causes headlight flicker. And the lightweight pulley removes a vibration damper, which shows up as knock on the ECU. Stock pulleys back on. One thing, the non-stop tuning pulley kit water pump pulley is the same size as OEM, so I kept that one. And fair warning, the belt install on the R18 is a massive pain, so budget extra time for that. AEM X Series has a 0 to 5 volt analog output. On the R18, the ELD pin, A23, is the input Hondata points you to for wideband. Cut the wire, solder the AEM white single wire to the ECU side, then the brown goes to the ECU ground.
Okay, I see. Kind of get it on these corners right here and it should like just come off. There we go. Oops. Okay, got a little bit of wire right there. Okay, good. Get a little bit more on the other side here. Ground. Yeah, that should work. Go in between here.
Real quick, let's go over the AEM wiring diagram. So the red 12 volt wire goes to ignition. You can find that on your fuse box. And black goes on ground, chassis ground. Make sure there's no paint there. Blue, you will not need it. White one, we've already went through, that goes to pin A23 on the ECU side. And then the brown one is also analog. It goes to the grounding point for your ECU. Make sure there's no paint or grime on there too. And then the other ones, the green black one and the white black one, to your O2 sensor in the engine bay. Also, let's go and look at the ECU itself. This is a Civic Si ECU, but the R18 is almost the same basically. The pins are for different sensors and whatnot, but the layout is the same. So your A, B, and C plugs, your A plug is going to be right next to your battery, and for the pin 23. You can see it right there, kind of in the middle where there's no pins. And then also, if you remove the cover on the back of this connector, you can see that they actually did that in the picture. They removed the cover. It actually has numbers and stuff where you can count them, and it will show you where pin 1 is, pin 5, pin 20. So make sure you look at that. Here's the problem. Flashpro on the R18 has no wideband setup menu. No sensor selection, no calibration, nothing. Hondata points you to the EOD pin, A23, as the wideband input, but EOD doesn't even show up as a channel or a sensor in Flashpro. I searched everywhere. Nobody's ever done this on R18 with Flashpro because it's not supported. If you got a Civic Si, you're fine. Full Flashpro support, wideband, cam gears, VTEC tuning, the whole thing. SI owners get everything. And if you're going all in on SI build, might as well add one more feature.
I think it came with the car. Hey. Wait!
The Trunk Monkey Chaperone version. An innovative idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.